Saturday afternoon at the shop, and 3 panels and the slam panel are done, and Monday just got that panel to do before I turn it over and start on the outside. Very pleased with the results. And get that one looking the same. It'll be happy days. Right, see you when it's done. As you can see, I've flatted the whole of the underside of the bonnet with 2500 and 3000 grit, and I've polished all the flatting marks back out using Chem H9. That's left a really nice finish. But I'm going to go over it now with Menzerna 2500 just to sharpen it all up a little bit more. I mean, the finish looks extraordinary. Looks like running water at the moment, but it could do with being a little bit sharper in my opinion. So I'm going to do that. Firstly, you can see I've flatted the bonnet edge. That was a bit oversprayed. I'm just going to polish that up. The polishes I've been using are the Flex 3" and Flex 1". The 1" has done all the channels and the corners, done a pretty good job of the framework, and of course using a bigger pad I've managed to get underneath the lips as well. So now I'm just going to refine it up, make it a little bit sharper, but it looks beautiful, and then I can turn it over and start on the outside. It should look nice when it's on the car. Well, it will look nice, there's no doubt about it. It looks nice now. So I'm going to get on and refine it. I'll do this channel first and then I'll start refining it, but it looks really good. Right, I'll be back. See you soon. As you can see, I'm on the top side of the bonnet now, and I've just finished the 2 stages of flatting. Really, I think the paint's still a little bit soft, because it's flatted a bit easier than I thought it would. You can see there's little bits of dust that I've had to work to knock down. A few over here, but overall it isn't bad at all. But I think I could do with leaving it to harden off again a little bit before I start polishing. I might try a corner and see how it responds, but it was only painted on Friday, so can't expect it to cure overnight, not properly anyway. Right, I'm going to get back at it for a bit. Got a little bit that I need to give another little flat that I'm not happy with, so I'll see you a little bit later. The flatting and polishing of the bonnet's finished, ready to go on and have its stickers fitted. So 2 stages of flatting and 3 stages of polishing. Here's a sticker man Dave getting stuck in with the striping on the Mexico. He's very professional, making sure. Measure 3 times, cut once, and the other side, although the edges aren't trimmed yet, That's all looking lovely. Finishes the car off a treat. Well, I fitted the bonnet back on today, and I wanted to try and show the reflection on the underside of the bonnet, considering I spent so much time flattening and polishing it. You can see a better reflection in person than you can on the film, but you get the general idea. So that was well worth doing. Looks lovely. Well, I've had the sticker men in today to put the stripes on the Mexico, and they've just left, and I thought I'd give a walk around now that it's all stickered up. So we've got the new Mexico badge on the rear. It was a bit of a mission for him to fit it, but he got there in the end. Sibby headlight covers on now, look, spotlight covers. Well, it looks a treat. Now it's got its livery. The only thing left to do really, there's a few scratches where the magnets have marked the paint that I'm going to go over, and then I'll start the process of putting the Geon Synchro ceramic coatings on, but it looks lovely. I've got some new hardware to put on the bonnet, nice and shiny, so I'm going to do that obviously before I start ceramic coating. And I've just noticed another scratch from the magnet, so I'm going to have to get that out. But I'm really pleased. Just finished the car off a treat. There you go. I'll see you on the next episode.